Mazda key fobs use radio frequency signals to communicate with your vehicle. After a battery change, the fob can lose its sync with the car. First, correctly replace the battery with a CR2032 coin cell, ensuring proper polarity. For most models like the 2018-2025 Mazda CX-5, cycle the ignition key rapidly 5 to 8 times within 10 seconds. Then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Listen for a door lock confirmation. Older Mazda models before 2015 might require inserting the physical key in the driver's side door lock and turning it to resync. Newer models from 2020 onward may support quicker resync through the Mazda Connect infotainment screen. Remember, improper resync attempts can trigger anti-theft modes, so proceed carefully. If the basic resync fails, check for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. For persistent issues, consult your Mazda owner's manual for model-specific instructions or visit a dealership. Keep in mind that Mazda is moving towards seamless integration with smartphone apps. Select 2024 Plus models feature Bluetooth Low Energy, allowing resync and digital keys via the My Mazda app in some cases. This minimizes battery dependency. By 2028, a large percentage of Mazda models are expected to support automated over-the-air resync updates, further simplifying the process. Also be aware that hybrid models like the 2024 CX-60 PHEV may experience unique issues that require professional attention. For best results, refer to Mazda's official online resources for detailed, up-to-date tutorials and avoid multiple failed attempts to prevent potential lockouts.